Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
My name's Violet.
Sorry?
Violet.
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 How old are you?
I'm 27.
Sorry, no cash, man.
That's okay. I
Hey,
appreciate it.
hey, подсвети мой сартай.
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Hey, good night,
You
man.
too. What's your name?
So, my name is Shahrom. How old are you, my friend?
27.
27? You no working?
No, not right now. I'm about to be traveling across the United States.
Okay. You from here?
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh, house.
I'm working on getting housing right now. It's a long process though.
Oh my god. No house.
No house at all. I got kicked out of my house when I was 15 and I've been on the street on and off for the past 12 years.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Making the best out of it though.
Не очень жаль. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I appreciate it.
Okay. You phone number no?
I don't know it off the top of my head. I have one right here.
Give me phone number, man.
Oh, yeah, what's your phone number?
Give me please.
What's your phone number?
No, you phone number.
Okay, let me see.
Az ben numero şana gireyim ki ya gonçta da konuş.
I gotta look it up.
Give me ruchkarate.
Yep.
Call me, okay?
Okay. I just got a phone, thankfully.
Call me, okay?
Okay, I will.
Have a good night, man.
Okay, yes, I will. You too.
Давай.
Thank you.
Давай. I don't know. در کار میشه خیال میکنم نه رد شما چی فکر دارین؟ یک دست رو میزنم ایرا من نمیدونم